Most homeowners don't realize this, but deck stain today, especially here in Connecticut, just doesn't hold up like it used to. The biggest issue is the horizontal surfaces, your deck floors and your top rails. The newer stains dry too fast and they don't penetrate deep enough, so they start to wear down way quicker than you'd expect. So instead of waiting a few years and doing a full strip and redo, which gets very expensive, we recommend something much smarter. At MDF Painting, we offer an annual deck maintenance plan. We come in once a year, rinse everything down, do a light sand on the floors and rails, and apply a fresh maintenance coat. It keeps your deck looking awesome every single year. It protects the wood, and it saves you a lot of money over time. If you've got a deck and want to keep it in great shape without the headaches, give us a call today and ask about our maintenance plan. Thank you, and I appreciate the opportunity to earn your business.